Okay, so this video is gonna guide you on how to create a class on Classin and how to add a lesson. So if you've been struggling with creating a class on the new Classin or adding a lesson, because you need to create a class, then you add a lesson. So if you've been struggling with doing this too, please ensure to watch this video to the end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see the more of these videos, please do not forget to turn off your notification button. And yeah.
Okay, so let's create a class. So this is home. Let's create a class on Classin application. So this is home. This is your charts. I don't really have much charts here. Yeah, so I want to create a new class for new students. So you can actually go to create a public class, a public lesson. Maybe when you just want to have a public lesson, you don't want to have a class for a particular student. Public lesson anyone can join. You can just create it and you send the link to um, people people who are people you want to have a class with, and yeah, after the class I think everything ends, but when you on after the public lesson everything ends. So yeah, you just have to go here. You can just type the name, just this is public lesson. Okay, this is what to appear. Teacher CC's public lesson. Then this is how many minutes. So because this is a free version, it can only give you a 40 minutes class. And yeah, and mind you, free classes, you only have 10 free classes for a free version, a free classing version, and it's only 40 minutes. Okay, cancel. So let me go back. So when you want to create this, you can set your time. This is a day. Okay, let me say 8:30. Can be 8:15, can be 8:00. Okay, the time is there. So your class is gonna start at this time. So you go to post, click on post. Once you click on post, it creates the class. But I don't want to create a public lesson. I want to create a class for a student. So cancel. This is a new class. You go to new class. So you go to new class to add a new class for a student. Maybe you having this student. This is a first time student. Your first time having a class with the student. So you have to go here, add a class, enter class name. Raphael. Raphael. Yes. This is the name of my student. So I usually use the name of my student to create any class for my student, my account. Okay. So create. It is a create and enter class. Okay. So this is the class now. It has created a class um for Raphael. So you can always have a class here. So maybe when you want a chart, you can go here, chart, say hello. So, but at the moment, Raphael hasn't joined. He hasn't joined. So what you have to do, you go to add member, click on add member, copy the link, copy the link, and send to Raphael. Yes, when you copy the link, you send it to Raphael. So at the moment, I'll send the link later to Raphael to join. Maybe if you have him on any other application, yes, you can just send it to him. I've copied the link, so he will join. Raphael will have to join. So this is Raphael. He will have to join. So if he is able to join, it will appear here. Raphael joined, and whatever I type here, he's gonna see and he can respond. So to create a class, you can just go to enter class. It takes me back to this place. So what you do is yeah, to create a class, you go to create a lesson. Yes, to create a lesson, you can go to create, go to lesson. Yes, you have to go to this lesson. Okay, so I want to choose the time for this lesson. This lesson is going to be uh going to be 24. It's going to be let me say 24, 20. Okay, let me choose 23, 23, 23:55. It's almost 12 p.m. So it's for today. Okay, today is Sunday. Okay. You can always can always update. Can always change the time. You can always change the time though. Let me just choose this. Then you say okay. So look at the time is at 23. That's midnight, because the person I'm creating this class for is actually Brazilian, and we are actually 4 hours ahead of them. So at this time he should be 11, 10, 9, 8. So okay, that should be his 7 p.m. 7:55 p.m. So the next thing you have to do, yeah, I think you need to actually to select course, new course. Okay, what else have I not done? So if you want to record the class, record class in classroom, you can click on this. Oh, it's asking me to upgrade. Okay, I think this is for a paid version. So for a simple version, okay. So I think these are the most important things. So when you're done creating, so the next thing you do is to post. You post. So it's adding a lesson. You're adding a lesson. So see, it's showing me prepare. So and if I want to prepare for this class, I just have to go to prepare. It takes me to the class. So this is the class. And yes, it is actually then I have to prepare for the class. Just like I said in my the other video, you can just go, yeah, this is the file I have. This is just one file I have here. Yes. Yeah, you can just open it, you can expand it, you can minimize it. I think that's that. So after preparing for the class, you can just go to this, close, and close it. Yes, auto saving. So it saves automatically. So I think that's that for creating a class and creating a lesson. You create a class, create a lesson. So you have to create a class. Then when you've created a class for a child, for a student, it could be an adult, could be a child, a teenager. So after creating it, you can now add the lesson. You need to add a lesson. It's actually this lesson that it's gonna take you to um the classing room. Yeah, the actual class. I think that's that for now. If you have any question, you can also ask your question in the comment sections. So it's nice having you today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.
Alright, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did and you found the video helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you would like to see more of these awesome videos, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification button so you don't miss a video from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time.